Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you're doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 products which are a must buy from Amazon. Now these products come under lifestyle and home decor category, and all of these products are a must have in order to make your life easier and better. So yes, now without making this intro any longer, if you guys want to know what all I have in store for you, then please keep on watching the video. The first product which I have here with me is a mirror, and it is from the brand Miniso. On one side you get the magnifying glass and the other side you get the normal glass mirror. It looks so classy and it is so useful. You can keep this in your vanity and it will really amp up your vanity, and the magnifying side of it is so clear, even the normal side as well. I really like the color. It is in this pretty silver color and it comes with a stand. So basically क्या है कि ये वाली चीज और ये वाली चीज ऐसे अलग से आती है. You just have to इसको ऐसे घुमाना पड़ता है. वो स्क्रू जैसा है तो आपको इसको सिर्फ घुमाना पड़ता है. You don't have to do anything major. And one more thing about this mirror is कि इसके यहाँ पे नीचे साइड में ये cushion टाइप का दिया हुआ है so that it doesn't destroy the surface. I really, जब से ये मिरर आया है, I enjoy doing my makeup even more. It obviously emphasizes every pore on my skin and every single spot, but this mirror is really nice. Alright, moving on. The second I saw this product on Amazon, I literally fell in love. I found it so useful, so classy. I'm talking about this basket right here. So it is like this. You can use this in multiple ways. So आप इसको as a fruit basket use कर सकते हो ऐसे रख के. You can even use it as a pot. So you can just mold it like this and use it as a pot. You can even use it as a pen or pencil stand or something. You can keep your makeup brushes and use it like this. You can even use it like this. So there are multiple ways in which you can use this, and it is such a useful piece. मेरे पास ये एक और पड़ी है. I kept it on my side table. This is such a good piece, you guys. I really like it. And मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना कि these pieces really amp up your space. Definitely suggest you buying this one. Please, like, if there is any one thing which I would really suggest you buying, please go for this one. Moving on, the next product which I have with me here is this light box. I know it is not something really new. It is in the market for quite some time, but I really like it. It came with all the alphabets, और इसमें ये जो साइंस होता है, इमोजीज एंड साइंस होता है, ये एक सेट आए थे एंड अल्फाबेट्स का दो सेट था. आने के बाद में मैंने रियलाइज किया कि अल्फाबेट की दो सेट है, बट आई वुड प्रेफर कि अगर अल्फाबेट के 3 सेट्स आते तो ज्यादा बेटर रहता. बट नॉनदलेस आई रियली लाइक दिस. इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी है. आई रियली लाइक द अल्फाबेट का साइज एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ दीज अल्फाबेट्स एज वेल. यू कैन कीप इट इन योर रूम, यू कैन कीप इट इन योर बेडरूम, इन योर लिविंग रूम. यू कैन राइट वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट ओवर हियर, एंड इट इज सच अ गुड पीस. आप इसमें 4 बैटरी भी डाल सकते हो, या फिर आप अपनी यूएसबी से भी इससे यहाँ पे इसके साथ एक वायर आता है, आप उसको इस पे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट स्विच इट ऑन. द नेक्स्ट आइटम विच वी हैव हियर इज अ लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट. It is this Nova lint remover. So this is how it looks like. आप इसको आपको बस प्लग इन करके, ये साइड में जो बटन देख रहे हो, ये आपको ऑन करके, ठीक है, आपको जैसे सपोज ये फैब्रिक है तो आपको फैब्रिक पे राउंड या फिर स्ट्रेट लाइंस में आपको घुमा के you just have to remove the lint and all the lint will get accumulated here. You can see कि यहाँ पे already black है because इसमें थोड़ा सा lint है. It is really effective. And it removes the lint really nicely. You should definitely invest in one of these. Alright, moving on, the last product which I want to show you guys are these. God, it's a wall hanging kind of thing. And ये macrame का है, wall पे hang किया हुआ. It looks so nice. I really wanted something like this. इसमें ना normal rope वाला भी आता है, वो जो जूट rope होता है मोटा वाला, उसमें वैसा भी आता है. But I personally like these macrame वाला. Plus it comes with this hanging, which looks really beautiful. I got a set of 2 for myself. इसमें colors भी आते हैं, so you can definitely check it out. I'll be leaving the links of all the products in the description box below. So yes, do go and check them out. Yes guys, that was it for my Amazon must-haves. Do let me know if you guys want me to make a kitchen essentials version of it, or in general home decor or lifestyle products. I would definitely love to make it for you. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.